Tonight on It's the Law, we're talking about the social media app Snapchat. A Hampton man is suing the app after he was seriously injured in a car accident. His lawyers say a teen who hit him was enticed from the app and its speed filter. Our legal analyst Jay Davis is here to talk more about this. Jay, Snapchat says there is no benefit from going high speeds by using this filter, and there's no achievement. So, as somebody who is suspicious by nature, what do you take about all this?
My gut is that there's probably some benefit. There's a statement that she was trying to get to a certain speed, going 107 miles an hour in order to get something with this app. Now, I don't know if it gives a trophy. They say it doesn't give a trophy specifically for that. I don't know if it just records it, if they're trying to see who can record the highest speed. I'm not sure what the game sort of has come to be. But I believe there's something there that is encouraging that. They actually say do not use it while driving,
right,
which also makes me believe that there's some sort of propensity or likelihood of using it while driving. So
but does that warrant them being sued as well for like negligence or anything like that?
This can come into where groups are involved, whether everybody gets together and makes something happen. If you go over and create an event and then maybe one person winds up taking it too far, they might all be responsible for creating that event. So if Snapchat was negligent by creating this event, they might develop some sort of vicarious liability, which they're trying to mitigate. They're trying to limit that liability by putting this do not use while driving app. But that's only good for the driver. So if the driver uses that anyway and Snapchat is involved in sort of encouraging this behavior, what about the victim of a car that was hit that was not using Snapchat? So Snapchat may limit their liability to the driver by saying don't do it this way. They may not limit their liability to the other victim, the victim that might be. So it's not going to lessen the driver's responsibility. She should not have been using Snapchat if that's what encouraged her. She shouldn't have been going 107 miles an hour. And if she's deemed responsible for this, she's going to have that liability. But if the victim was hurt beyond what she could pay, there would be another avenue, and that would be go out to vicarious liability, which is the type of liability you get for somebody else's behavior, which is saying Snapchat may become liable for this driver's behavior. So then if you exhaust the limits of the driver, you may be able to get something from Snapchat, which likely would have a lot more money to be able to pay you if you needed that.
All right, Jay, thanks so much. And as always, we want to hear your legal questions. You can email us at itsthelaw@41NBC.com. We'll do our best to answer it during our It's the Law segment right here each Wednesday at 6.